Guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to mute ringtone on LG Q70 device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see volume. Just tap on the volume section and you'll see here the ringtone volume panel. Just to mute ringtone, we should just slide to the left side this green dot, and that's it. Also, you can make it with the help of the volume buttons here on the left side of our phone, but first to do that we should turn off this switcher to use to change the media with the volume buttons. And now let's just press down volume button, and by this way we can also mute the ringtone volume. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.